Now we will see how to convert any octal number into its binary equivalent. First, we will take one example. Suppose number 56 is octal number and we have to convert this into binary number. What is the method? First, take down the number 5 and 6. Then write here 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. This is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Next step is write 1 to those numbers whose addition is equal to this number. For example, this number is 5. 5 is addition of 4 and 1. No any other combination will be there for this addition. 5 will be 4 plus 1. Therefore, write here 1 and 1. Remaining places will be 0. And this will be the binary equivalent of number 5. Octal number 5 is equivalent to the binary number 101. Same you can write here. Number 6 is addition of 4 and 2. Therefore, write here 1 and 1. Remaining will be 0. We have converted 5 into binary, 6 into binary. Therefore, number 56 in octal is equivalent to 101110, which is binary. This is method to convert any octal number to its binary equivalent. One more example we will take. Number 35. This is octal number and we have to convert it into binary. First step is take down that number. Write here 4, 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. First number 3 is addition of 2 and 1. Therefore, write here 1 and 1. Remaining place will be 0. 5 is addition of 4 and 1. Therefore, there will be number 1, remaining is 0. Number 35 of octal will be 011101 in binary. We have converted number 35, which is octal, into binary 011101. This is the method to convert any octal number into its binary equivalent. Next is how to convert octal number into hexadecimal equivalent. What is hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number means the number with base 16. Means it will include digits 0, 1, 2 up to 15. But what is the change? From 9, after 9, 10 will be written as A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. In hexadecimal number system, from 0 to 9 and after that A, B, C, D, E, F alphabets will be there. Now we will see how to convert any octal number to its hexadecimal equivalent. For that, we will take one number 230. This is octal number. We have to convert this into hexadecimal equivalent. First step is you have to convert this octal number into its binary equivalent. Now only we have seen how to convert binary, how to convert octal number into binary equivalent. For that, take down the number 213, 421, 421, 421. 2 is addition of only number 2. Therefore, write here 1, remaining will be 0. 1 is addition of only 1. No need to add any other digit. Therefore, remaining will be 0. 3 is 2 plus 1. Therefore, 1, 1 and 0 means 213 in binary will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is binary equivalent. But what we want? Hexadecimal equivalent. For that, again, from right hand side, make a group of 4, 4. Therefore, first take down the number 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now make a group from right hand side of 4, 4 bits. Then we will get 2 groups. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And only 1, 0 is remaining. 0 means nothing, you can ignore. But suppose here digit 1 is there and only 1 digit is remaining. In that case, you have to place 3 zeros here. But in our example, remaining bit is 0. Therefore, we can ignore that 0. After that, because it is hexadecimal equivalent, we will write 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. This is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Multiply these numbers. These are coefficient, these are weights. If you multiply coefficient with the weight, you will get decimal number. Therefore, that will be the hexadecimal number. 8 into 1 is 8, plus 4 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8, 4 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, 8 and 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Your number is 811 in hexadecimal. But what we have seen, after 10, instead of digits, we will take alphabet. For 11, we can write B. Therefore, hexadecimal equivalent of 213 is 8B. This is the method to convert octal number to hexadecimal. One more example we will take. (331). This is octal number. We have to convert in hexadecimal. First, convert this number into binary. For that, take down the number. Write 421, 421, 421. 3 is 2 plus 1. Therefore, 0, 1, 1. 3 is 2 plus 1. Therefore, 0, 1, 1. 1 is just 1. Therefore, 0, 0, 1. This is binary equivalent of 331. Again, we have to convert binary to hexadecimal. What is the method? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. From right hand side, make a group of 4. 1, 0 is remaining. You can ignore that. Write here 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. And multiply coefficient with weight. Therefore, 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 13, 9. But what is the Alphabet for 13, D. In hexadecimal, 13 is represented by the alphabet D. Therefore, hexadecimal equivalent of 331 is D9. This is the method to convert any octal number into its hexadecimal equivalent. Now last conversion is from octal to decimal. Now we will learn how to convert octal number to its decimal equivalent. Decimal number means base is equal to 10. Then it will include numbers 0, 1, 2 up to 9. This will be the number set of decimal. Now we will see how to convert octal number to decimal equivalent. For that we will take one example, 1071. This is octal number. We have to convert it into decimal. Proper method is, for converting octal to decimal, we have to take sum of product of coefficient and weight. Sum of product of coefficient and weight. How to find out weight? This is the octal number. Therefore, weight will be 8 raised to the power. I will show you. First is separate the digit 1071. Multiply. These are called as a coefficient. And we have to find out the weight. To find out weight, this is octal number system. Therefore, multiply by 8. And give power from right hand side starting from the 0. This is the product. Product of coefficient and weight. Coefficient and weight. Coefficient and weight. And we have to get sum of product. Therefore, write here plus sign. 1 into 512 plus 0 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 1 into 1. Therefore, 512 plus 0 plus 56 plus 1. That is equal to 569. This is decimal equivalent of 1071. One more example we will take. Octal number, we will convert this into decimal equivalent. To convert, first step is separate the coefficient, get the weight. How to get weight? Into 8, power start from 0 and get the sum. 3 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 0 into 1. 64 into 3 is 192 plus 56 plus 0, that is equal to 248, which is decimal equivalent of 370. This is the method for conversion of octal to decimal. What we have seen? We have seen how to convert number from binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexa, and conversion from octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexa. In next class, we will learn how to convert number from decimal to any other number system and hexadecimal to any other number system. Thank you.